Break time. See, when the sun comes up on this side, then I'm on this side of the house. When the sun moves to the other side, then I go to the other side of the house. And as you see, it's a beautiful day, minus that little fire over there that was going on. And now it's time for my update. My dear baby boy. Empty, 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 empty. Jake says hi. Yeah, I'm cleaning that mess up today as I go from the office to the living room, to the office to the living room. All of this is done. I'm gonna make tables since they're my books and CDs and I don't have a bookcase yet. I'm gonna stack them up, put a sheet over them, put them in the office to use as space. Move that one and those into the office in about 5 minutes. And isn't that pretty? Linda gave me that. I love it. As you can see, I made a little dent. Okay, I made a big dent because, yeah, there was a lot of shit on this floor. Those are going back. Done with those. Gotta put all my crap away for the kitchen later. Figure out how to use the dishwasher again. So loud. Anyway, yeah, that's the cart that Marcy got me for Christmas. Yeah, I put the boxes on it and wheel it back to the back room. I can't wait. The guy that I guess he does stuff for the complex is gonna come and break down all those boxes. And now for my little teeny bit of progress. Always gotta have my candles going, you know that. It's mess. She's getting there, she's getting there. Joy. Little by little by little. Little by little. And the only thing really set up is, ooh, my postage station. Postage printing station, as it were. See, like this one, I'm gonna put a sheet over it. And then I'm going to put this one and that one over here. Because I usually, that needs to be at my right hand so I can just reach in there and pull out my baggies, bag up my stuff. Oh, I can move over another movie now. Okay. What did I just put on there? Kings of Comedy. Well, you know what? We'll just go in order here. We'll just go in order. And then that way I won't lose my place. How's that? So my tablet, you know, when I put SnapTube on there, somebody put SnapTube on there for me, and I really, really, really loved it. Except it was, what are you doing? Stop that. Except it was eating up my whole hard drive. That's not nice. That can't happen. So I was on the phone with Sprint, honey, forever and ever. But he had to go inside a file to find SnapTube and where it was storing all my albums, as it were, of music and movies, and delete the whole thing. But in the process of deleting the whole thing, I had to totally wipe out my tablet. That was so scary. And then put it back on. And when I put it back on, all my movies were gone, but everything else was there and cool, so I can't complain. Thank God for my baby backup. Thank you, Adam, for my baby. My desktop down there, it's still working good. No, none of the holes are covered up. And as you can see from the other side, it is a glorious day, ladies and gentlemen. And I'm going to be sitting here listening to Kings of Comedy, downloading some movies from the desktop to the tablet. So when I go to the doctor's on Monday, I'll have something to watch while I wait and or for backup. So there you have it. There it be, slowly but surely. Yes, more movies. Slowly but surely. So there, here now, I thought, let me see this. I want to know if that comes out still straight, because last time I did it, it didn't come out straight. I want to buy a trundle bed to put there. You know, the bed, a twin bed with the twin bed underneath that you pull out. I want to put that there. And since I don't know how that's going to turn out, because last time it didn't turn out, I'm going to turn it back around. Slowly but surely, I'm getting there. Tonight, this room's got to be in shape. What time is it? It's 11. By 5 o'clock, this room has to be in shape. So I could start my next clay project, which is another Unk necklace. Yes, that is my little oven that I bake my clay in. So there you have it. There it be. And life goes on. So I hope you guys are having a great day. Now, this is a test to myself to make sure I can get it all done by 5 o'clock, or at least in some type of, order. So I'm about to open my window, crank up the music, and get it started. I hope you guys are having a great day. Oh, you know what? No, I'll do that video separately. I'll be back. Okay, guys, have an awesome day. Love you. Bye.